Creating a Cash App account in Bangladesh is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, it is essential to note that Cash App is a US-based service, and its availability and functionality may vary in Bangladesh. To get started, download the Cash App from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, tap on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your phone number or email address. Enter your phone number and verify it by entering the code sent to you by Cash App. If you encounter any issues with phone number verification, you can try using your email address instead. Next, link your debit card or bank account to your Cash App account. This will enable you to add and withdraw funds from your account. You can also add money to your Cash App account using a bank transfer or by depositing cash at a participating retailer. When linking your bank account, you will need to provide your account details, including the account number and routing number. Ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to avoid any overdraft fees. To add an extra layer of security to your account, enable two-factor authentication. This will require you to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email each time you log in to your account. Finally, explore the Cash App dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features and functionality. You can use Cash App to send and receive money, invest in stocks, and even buy and sell Bitcoin. It is crucial to note that Cash App has certain restrictions and limitations in Bangladesh, and some features may not be available. Therefore, it is recommended that you review the terms and conditions of the app before using it. By following these steps, you can create a Cash App account in Bangladesh and start using its services. Remember to always prioritize the security of your account by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication.